happy po din ako sa birthday ko kasi maraming visitors po ako.
Tapos mga about po sa set.
Stand up, and of course, at the count of 3, make a wish, and then blow your 7th birthday candle. Ready, Jesse? 1, 2, 3, and blow. Okay, blow! Okay, malakakit na malakas para kay Jesse!
Happy birthday, Jessie!
Harap ko, Bero, harap.
At laging masunurin at laging umatin sa church. Happy birthday! Jessie, happy birthday! Sana lumaki ka ng maayos at lagi kang mag-aaral na mabuti. Sana makaating ka lagi sa Sundays ka natin. Happy birthday, Jessie! Happy birthday, Jessie! God bless you!
Happy birthday, Jessie, to my only sister. Sana lumaki na maayos, pati palagi mo ako sinusundan, pati kila mami din. And sana din lumaki ka na maayos and pagbuti mo yung pag-aaral mo.
Ayun, sana nawa lumaki ka na makikinig sa magulang. Tapos, ang plastic ko naman kung lagi kang susunod. Pero, sikapin natin lahat, or sikapin mo na laging sumunod sa kanila. Makikinig ka sa lahat na sasabihin nila kasi makakabuti yun sa'yo. Ayun ako.
Happy birthday, Jessie. Yan, for you. Sabi ni daddy mo, sana magkaroon ka ng ministry. And I think isa yan sa makakatulong sa'yo para mas ma-develop yung ministry na yun. Kasi alam ko kung saan kayo dito. Nakikita ko kung saan ka. Kasi doon mas maliit ka. Sana mas magamit mo yan. Happy birthday, Jessie.
Jessie means God's gift, no? So, ang iyong name ay nawang talaga sa'yo. Ito ay napakagandang regalo na sa Diyos. Nawa ay ang message ko lang sa'yo ay mag-enjoy sa buhay. Dahil ikaw ay bata ka. Kung ano ang gusto mong gawin mo. Basta kung ano yung magpapasaya sa'yo dahil ikaw ay bata, gawin mo lang. Kasi kapag masaya ka, mas masaya ang mga magulang. So yun, happy birthday.
Hi Jessie, happy 7th birthday. Wish nila lang sa'yo, sana lumaki kang mabait, masunurin sa mga magulang mo, at sa mga nakakatanda sa'yo, magalang, masiyahin, at syempre, paniniwala, at pagtitiwala natin kay God. Dapat mas makakabutihan natin yun. Then, mag-aral mabuti, and nandito lang si Nina para sa'yo. Happy birthday, love you.
Good morning po sa lahat. Good afternoon sa lahat. Happy 7th birthday, Jess. I wish you the biggest of health and long life. And I wish that you'll become a very successful woman in the near future. I care and love you.
Alright!
Alam mo bang ang ganda-ganda mo? Happy birthday! God bless you always. Sana lumaki kang mabait at masunurin lalo kay mami at daddy. At syempre, may takot sa Diyos at mag-aral kang mabuti. I wish you all the best. Okay? God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Jessie. Lagi ka lang mag-pray, tsaka mag-read ng Bible. Okay?
Alright, so sa lahat mo na
Happy birthday! Ayan, message ni teacher. Always listen to the mommy at daddy. Siyempre, kila teacher din. Ayan. Also, pag binigay ni teacher yung gift, dapat i-read yung books. Ayan. Thank you.
So, masaya ako kasi ang ibibigay ko is paborito ko din, books. So, ang prayer ko ay like us, si Mami, I think si Mami ay pwede sa book, maging book lover ka din. Especially ng Bible. Ito, for you, sana basahin mo kami. Ayun, appreciate mo ba yung laman ng
Our wish ko is to be healthy, stay pretty, and stay as sweet as you grow older. Then, itong books na binili ko, sana magamit mo na for 365 days of your life, but throughout your life. Again, happy birthday!
Thank you so much.
Thank you. maging close na kayo. So, blessed birthday, Jessie. Hi, Jessie. Happy birthday. I hope na maging close tayo pagdating ng grade 8. Sana ka-advisor pala niya. So, sana lumaki kang maganda katulad ko. And sana maging i-bless ka pa ni Lord. And huwag mo makalimutan na laging si Lord ay nandyan sa'yo. And lahat ng gusto mo ibibigay niya in God's perfect time. Yun na. Thank you.
Hi, Jessie. Happy birthday. Ang ganda mo ngayon, bebe. Ayan. So, lagi naman obey kay mommy and daddy, kay ate at kuya, tsaka kay tita at dito. Ayan. So, wish ko sa'yo sana maging healthy ka at maging mabait na bata. I love you.
Sana gusto mo yung wish na yan. And wish ko sa'yo, since obedient ka naman kay mami and daddy, maging healthy ka and follow mo lang lagi yung guidance na sinasabi ni mami.
Lapit na lang po natin and picture na po natin. Yes!
Ang cute!
Yeah. Okay. Picture sa picture. Okay. Ay, nagtawan. Happy birthday, Jessie! Mahaba po eh. Bakit hindi na kayo makapag-magic sa... Para sa'yo, I give this bear stuff toy.
May pasabog si Nino?
Huwag ko na lang mag-open para may surprise. Pinili yan ni Ninang Dada.
Ninang Dada.
Because we know you'll have a very good time with me. This bear is not just any bear, it's a special bear that loves hugs. Just like you. So many hugs. Whenever you need a friend to share secrets with or someone to keep your company, of course after God and your family, this bear will always be there for you. I hope this bear brings you lots of fun and unbelievable adventures. Have an awesome birthday, Jessie. Ninong mo din ako Hindi nagdadala. From your very handsome Ninong and very sexy Ninong.
Good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Jessie, happy birthday. Though nawala yung gift namin, kasi June 15 pa darating, kay Mami Marisa na lang natin kuhanin yung gift namin. So, yung gift namin is tumbler. Sana, kagaya ng tumbler, huwag tayo mapagod, lalo tayo mauhaw, huwag ka din mauhaw sa pagkatuntong, sa awa ng Diyos, mga ganon. Naway maging mabuti kang bata hanggang sa paglaki mo. Ilang happy birthday.
Okay. Ayan. So,
Sometimes when I'm not tonight, my footprint to receive. I came in my isolation, and it looks like I'm with. The wind is howling like this early storm inside. And there's no time. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be like the girl, always come to me. But still don't feel, don't let them know. But I'll never let you go. and thank you for my birthday, Lord. And wish you happy for my birthday, the playground and food and gifts for us and this magic for my birthday. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Love you. Thank you, Lord.